What are the key factors for the success of a retail design agency? So, what would happen if they were a trustworthy company that could provide all these necessary services? From the moment you send your design concept or CAD to them, they can provide engineering design, cost estimation, research and development ideas, sample production, and deliver the final product DDP to you. That's exactly what we, Samtop Display, have been doing since 2012. We have helped hundreds of retail design agencies, design companies, advertising, and merchandising firms for over the years by providing them with innovative and high-quality display props and retail fixtures. Many of them have grown from small-scale companies to larger ones, offering various retail merchandising solutions and becoming stable outsourcing design companies for brands. The main value of our service lies in our engineers with 18 years of experience in evaluating the manufacturing process, materials, and structure of the product. We have a well-integrated supply chain management system, ensuring the entire process from sourcing to product delivery. You may have no idea how to directly customize retail visual props and display stands, but as long as you provide us with a concept sketch or a design plan, we can bring your design to life. So, what specific services do we offer, and what is the process of working with us? You can start by taking advantage of our free consultation service. Just send us an inquiry and let us know your design sketch and how you want to customize it. Our customer support will assign an engineer to assist you. They will discuss the structure and craftsmanship of different materials with you. They will also provide suggestions for multiple solutions and send you free structural drawings and quotations. Once the sample is produced, we ensure its quality, structure, and materials selected are consistent with your design and requirements. You can compare our quotation and samples with those from other suppliers you have approached. Even if you only need to order existing visual props for retail design displays or Christmas decorations, we can help you collect products from different suppliers throughout China, inspect their quality, and assist you in selecting the most cost-effective shipping options, delivering the products to your doorstep. If you choose us as your customer maker supplier, we will provide follow-up reports at every stage, including photos and videos to keep you updated on the progress of your product. We arrange for quality control personnel to inspect the production process. During packaging and assembly, we have QC personnel stationed in the factory. All products undergo full inspection. We also welcome third-party companies to conduct quality control. For retail fixture products, each fixture is assembled and tested before painting, and the LED lights and interactive features are ensured to work properly. We also ensure that each screw is correctly fastened and then covered with protective caps before painting or oiling to prevent the holes from shrinking. Additionally, we provide assembly instructions for each set of products. In the end, the products can be directly delivered to your location. If your brand requires different quantities of customized displayed stands to be shipped to various store addresses worldwide, we can arrange drop shipping according to your requirements. With our professional management, you can efficiently receive high-quality display stands, allowing you to have more time for creating innovative designs and developing more clients. So, send us an inquiry at www.samtop.com and let us know what products or design sketches you are looking for. We will guide you step by step and get your project started right away.